Welcome to our comprehensive guide on proven strategies to stop ear ringing. If you have been experiencing the irritating and persistent sound of ringing in your ears, also known as tinnitus, this video is for you. In this guide, we will explore effective techniques and remedies to help you find relief and regain your peace of mind. Before we delve into the strategies, it's important to understand what tinnitus is and its underlying causes. Tinnitus is commonly associated with damage to the delicate hairs in the inner ear, which can be caused by exposure to loud noises, age-related hearing loss, or certain medical conditions. By understanding the root cause, we can better address the problem and find effective solutions. One of the first strategies to stop ear ringing is making certain lifestyle changes. Avoiding exposure to loud noises, reducing stress levels, and taking care of your general health can significantly help in managing tinnitus. In this section, we will discuss these lifestyle changes in detail and provide practical tips and advice to incorporate them into your daily routine. Sound therapy has been proven to be effective in managing tinnitus symptoms. The use of white noise machines, soothing music, or even natural sounds such as ocean waves or rain can help mask the ringing in your ears. We will explore various sound therapy techniques and devices that you can incorporate into your daily life to find relief. In this section, we will delve into the power of mindfulness and relaxation techniques in easing tinnitus symptoms. Practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga can help calm the mind and reduce stress, leading to a decrease in the perception of ear ringing. We will guide you through these techniques and provide helpful tips to incorporate them into your daily routine. While there is no cure for tinnitus, alternative remedies have shown promise in reducing the severity of symptoms. From herbal supplements to acupuncture, we will explore various alternative treatments and provide insights into their effectiveness. It's important to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any of these remedies. If you have been struggling with persistent ear ringing, it is advisable to seek professional help. We will discuss the importance of consulting with an audiologist or a healthcare specialist who specializes in tinnitus management. They can provide a tailored treatment plan and guide you through the process of finding the most suitable solution for your specific case. As we conclude this comprehensive guide on proven strategies to stop ear ringing, it's important to remember that each individual's experience with tinnitus is unique. Finding the most effective solution may require a combination of different strategies and approaches. By staying informed, making necessary lifestyle changes, and seeking professional guidance, you can find relief and minimize the impact of tinnitus on your daily life.